Today we are making a delicious simple recipe for chicken cheese balls. Ingredients: 1 pound cooked chicken shredded, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese, a quarter cup chopped onion, a quarter cup chopped fresh parsley, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup breadcrumbs, optional. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine chicken, cheddar, mozzarella, onion, parsley, garlic, egg, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Use your hands or a spoon to shape mixture into small balls. Roll balls in breadcrumbs for extra crunch. Deep fry until golden. Place balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with olive oil. 6. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. 7. Serve warm with your favorite dipping sauce, marinara, ranch, or barbecue. Variations: add diced bell peppers or jalapenos for extra flavor. Use different cheese combinations, Parmesan, feta. Tips: make ahead and refrigerate or freeze for later use. Calculated estimate of the calories in a chicken cheese ball. Calories: chicken breast 350 to 400, cheddar cheese 100 to 120, mozzarella cheese 70 to 80, breadcrumbs 50 to 60, egg 70, olive oil 40. Total 730 to 820 calories. This recipe makes 6 to 8 balls per serving. 1 ball. Calories 91 to 102. Protein 12 to 15 g. Fat 4 to 5 g. Carbohydrates 2 to 3 g.